Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing Opera Factory OS1 Pro wired earphones. These earphones are priced at 2500 rupees and they're available in two colors, a single combination of red and blue and a complete black. We have a black color with us right now. Right now they are not available on some online stores like Amazon, but you can directly buy them from the audio store. Link for that is in the description. Now let's get on with the unboxing. Here's the box. Box packaging looks pretty amazing. It has a pretty unique design. It has Opera Factory written on the top with a pretty good artwork as a background. We have some more information on the back, mainly related to the manufacturing information. Now let's unbox it. First, we have the earphones itself with a pretty good packaging. We get to see them right out of the box and the presentation is pretty good. On the inside, we have the rest of the cable on one side and a small package on the other side. Inside this small package, we get some extra ear tips, a warranty card, and some documentation. Now coming back to the earphones, it doesn't have any ear tips right out of the box, so we have to use those extra ear tips. Anyway, these look great, they have a different design, and it says Opera Factory on one earphone and Junior on another. This is how it looks on the other side. It has just left and right marking. We can also see the speaker grill, as there are no ear tips. Now here's a quick look at the specs of these earphones. These earphones are 3D printed. It has a unique design. Starting from the box design itself, packaging and the entire presentation itself is top notch. We won't see this kind of packaging or design even with established brands like Sony or even Bose. Design of the earphones, wires, everything has a fresh look. And you can also replace these wires. You can go for a different color or you can just get a replacement if you damage it. Actually, that's a big selling point for these earphones. Back to the earbuds, it has a transparent body, but we can't see much of the inside because of the black tint. We'll be able to see more if it was in the red or blue color. Now these cables have oxygen-free copper on the inside, so the cables won't rust, and the wire or the cable itself looks pretty nice. They are thin and they might seem delicate, but they are actually quite strong. And it also has an L-shaped audio jack. That's something many people appreciate. These earphones also have an inline mic, so we can also use it for calls. Sometimes high quality earphones doesn't come with a mic. Good to see that's not a problem with these earphones. Now as for the usage, these earphones fit pretty comfortably and they won't fall off no matter what you do. Whether it's a walk or a jog, they won't easily fall off. Now there's no active noise cancellation with these earphones, but its design itself offers effective noise isolation and reduces up to 50% outside noise. Now as for the audio quality, these earphones come with 10mm graphene dynamic drivers and the audio quality is pretty great. Even at high volume, there's minimal to no distortion, and even at low volumes, details can be heard pretty well. Bass is also pretty good. Even at 50% volume, you can feel the bass, which is great for those who want it. But those who might not like it, it might be a slight issue in the long run. As it is pretty new, it has soft bass. As for call quality, it's pretty good. It's as good as speaking from the phone itself. It does pick up some ambient noise more than the phone, but that doesn't affect the overall call quality. So guys, to conclude, if you're looking for wired earphones with an inline mic with great audio quality and good bass, then you can definitely consider these Opera Factory OS1 Pro earphones. So guys, what do you think about these earphones? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you want to purchase them, there's a link for that in the description. Do check it out. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.